session after work. Let's hope I get something, please. My mate Brandon came out this morning and caught a 56cm trevally. And he's just been sending me photos and just teasing me all morning. So I was like, no, we're going back out. Oh wow. Tried to get there really fast before the sun goes down. Then I get snagged in a big crap up. Come on son, hang in there. Almost at the spot. Almost there. Yeah, feels like a flatty. You can tell he's got a bit of head shakes, but he's going to the surface and he's coming towards me. You can feel he wants to get angry at me. He hit it like 3 times. He's a bit smaller. Oh, I hope you can. Oh yes. Get off by yourself, buddy. Sweet. Bye bye. Now I'm gonna go catch a trevally. And come on, trevally. One's almost down. Stay there, stay there. Freeze time, something. Quick squiz. Big fella. Not much head shakes. The sun's not down yet. What have I got? Is it a lizard? Oh. Lizard. Wait, maybe a 55cm flathead. I don't know if you can see him. I don't know if you can see it in the dark, eh? But I'll get a quick measure and I'll let him go. Yeah, I can't believe I just caught that. Well, at least it was worth coming here after work. He is 52. It's starting to lock up. There he goes. Oh, at least we came here for something. We got a few things. Look at Brendan out there trying to get his lure back.
Head being short.
Oh well, at least you didn't go for nothing, eh?
Yeah.
Hour and a half set.
Oh, as long as I'm out fishing, I'm happy.
We got two flatties.
2 flatties in the brim.
A herring.
A herring. Baby herring. I don't know how I have it. We got that all on record?
Yep. Oh, is it a big scratch or? Oh, it dented it.
I tried to stop it.
Yeah, it dented it.
I tried to stop it.
I can't even pop that dent, eh? It'd be like some
It's
sort
too
of
wet, bro. That one came, almost caught that one, and then that one came down and hit me. Oh, that's gone in the videos. How not to load kayaks, guys. Could you roof accident had that rubber thing there?
Yeah. It was about to happen.